Welcome to WSCAD family. My name is Ali Reza from International Department, and today I'm going to show you how to download the demo and install it on your computer. Let's get started. Welcome to WSCAD homepage. You can easily select your preferred language at the top. Now click on Try Now on the top bar to get started. On this page, just fill in the required information. Don't worry, we take your privacy seriously and never share your information with third parties. Once you're done, hit the Submit button. So far so good. Now check your email inbox. Don't forget to check your spam folder too. Download the zip file or the exe file. If you downloaded the zip file, right-click on the folder, select Properties, and check the Unlock box before clicking OK. Now please extract the zip file. In the installation folder, locate the setup file, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Follow the installation steps. Now go back to your email. Click here to activate your license. On this page, click on Activate License. Congratulations! WSCAD is now ready to use. Thank you for choosing WSCAD. For more helpful videos and tips, visit our YouTube channel.